Hello, and welcome back. Today we have an easy story for you at an A2 level. It is about Leo and his very first day at a new job. Don't worry about every word, just relax, listen, and follow along. Let's begin. Leo was new in the town of Maple Street. He needed a job, and today was his first day. Leo had a new job as a delivery cyclist. He rode his bicycle all over the town and he brought parcels to people's homes. In the morning, Leo was excited. He had a big bag full of parcels. Each parcel had an address on it. I must deliver them all, he said, and I must be on time. The first parcel was for Anna. Leo looked at the address, 12 Maple Street. He rode his bicycle to Anna's home and rang the doorbell. Ding dong! Anna opened the door. "Hello," said Leo. "A parcel for you." "Thank you," said Anna. "That was fast." The next address was Sam's Café. Leo rode to the café. Inside it was warm and busy. "Good morning, Sam," said Leo. "A parcel for the café. New coffee cups." "Wonderful," said Sam. "Would you like a coffee?" Leo smiled. "Yes, please, but quickly. I must be on time." Leo drank his coffee fast, and then he rode on. He had many parcels and many addresses. He rode up the hill and down the hill. His legs were tired, but he was happy. One parcel was difficult. The address was not clear, and Leo could not find the house. He asked a woman in the street, "Excuse me, where is this address?" The woman pointed. "It's the blue house over there." "Thank you," said Leo, and he delivered the parcel. The last parcel was for Nina, the student. Leo rode to her home and rang the bell. Nina opened the door. "A parcel for you," said Leo. "It's my new books," said Nina happily. "Thank you so much." "Sign here, please," said Leo. Nina wrote her name. At the end of the day, Leo's bag was empty. He had delivered every parcel and he had been on time. He was tired, but he was proud. A good first day, he thought, and I met so many people. Now Leo knew Maple Street and Maple Street knew Leo. Let's review some useful words from the story. A parcel, a box, or a package that you send to someone. Leo delivered many parcels. To deliver, to bring something to someone's home or work. Leo delivers parcels on his bicycle. An address, the place where someone lives, with a street and a number. Each parcel had an address, a doorbell, the button you press at a door to say that you are there. Leo rang the doorbell, ding dong, and on time, not early and not late, at the right time. Leo delivered every parcel on time. Finally, a useful phrase for a delivery. "Sign here, please." We say this when someone must write their name. "Sign here, please," said Leo. That's our story for today. Leo had a busy first day, and he met his new neighbors. Did you follow it? Watch it again tomorrow, and you will understand even more. Thank you for watching. Take care. And I'll see you in the next story.